चलन चलन सबको कहत है, चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। चलन चलन सबको कहत है, चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। चलन चलन जन प्रवृत्ति नहीं जाने, बात नहीं बैकुंठ बखाने। जो जन प्रवृत्ति नहीं जाने, बात नहीं बैकुंठ बखाने। जब लगे है बैकुंठ की आशा, जब लगे है बैकुंठ की आशा, तब लगे नहीं हति चरण निवासा, तब लगे नहीं हत चरण निवासा। चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। चलन चलन जो जन प्रवृत्ति नहीं जाने, बात नहीं बैकुंठ बखाने। जब लगे है बैकुंठ की आशा, तब लगे नहीं हति चरण निवासा। चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। कहे सुन कैसे पति है, जब लगे तहाँ आप नहीं जाइए। कहे सुन कैसे पति है, जब लगे तहाँ आप नहीं जाइए। कह कबीर यहु कहिए काहे, कह कबीर कहिए काहे, साध संगति बैकुंठ यहाँ है। चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। चलन चलन सबको कहत है, ना जाना बैकुंठ कहाँ है। चलन 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 चलन।
Everybody is booking their taxis, no? Everybody thinks it's going to be a long journey. to the destination that is already there with you. The Kabir Das ji says, people even say, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go to Vaikuntha. Huh? And involve people in so many different things. Yeah. Let's go to Vaikuntha, let's go to Vaikuntha. Yeah. And he says, in between those verses, that as long as people just want to go to a world of some kind of comfort and pleasure and etc., and even heaven or even Vaikuntha is like that for them. Yeah. They're more interested in the world. But if that is the case, then really speaking, the devotion to the feet of Bhagwan does not happen. And where does that devotion to the feet of Bhagwan Guru happen? He said, Sadh Sangha. Even Bhagwan says, I don't reside in Vaikuntha. Not even in the hearts of the yogis. But wherever sadhus are gathered. And who is sadhu for Kabir? Dadiwala Babas. Yogis who turn upside down. Yeah. Who are sadhus? Whom he has been addressing all these days. You. Yeah. Remain in satsang. Wherever you go, thank God. Thank our Gurudev. There will be some satsang group, and if it is not there, now you start one. Remain in the company of fellow seekers. Remain in the company of the works of the saints and sages. Keep the feet of the Lord and the Guru in your heart. There, Bhagwan says, I reside. There, Bhagwan says, I perpetually live. And therefore, where there is satsang, there is devotion to Bhagwan. And also in all the meditation, what is being said by Kabir Das ji? Hold on to the feet of the Guru. And the feet of the Guru means the teachings, and concentration on the teachings of the Guru, contemplation on the teachings of the scriptures is the means for liberation. And liberation means to live unconditionally, independently, without any dependence on anything, in happiness. Because if your happiness depends on anything, being situations, it cannot be permanent. And therefore, chalan chalan sabko kahte hai, but na jane Vaikuntha. Kuntha means conflict, doubt, yeah. Sorrow. Vaikuntha, where there is none of that. And that is in satsang. Yeah. Even if there are any difficulties, bothers that? Does it bother you? That there was dal every day? Yeah. It helped you to perform natural pranayama. Prana, apana. That's the beauty. Everything is beautiful in Vaikuntha. Yeah? Because where Bhagwan resides, where the devotees of Bhagwan resides, where there is the glory of Bhagwan everywhere, vibhuti of Bhagwan, then that is Vaikuntha only. अब कहाँ जाना है? कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ आना है, यहाँ पे ही बैठ के गाना है. And the easiest form of meditation, purification, Tirtha, Japa, Yoga, etc. All saints and sages, especially for this Kali Yuga, that no Japa, Tapa, Sadhan, really speaking, let us be honest, kuch nahi hota hai. But when devotees gather together and they sing, bas, all meditation takes place. All purification takes place. And where devotees sing and they dance, do you know? Krishna comes there and dances. Yeah. But we are so busy with the dance that we don't see the Krishna. Either in the chakki of the world, piste rehte hain. But जब रास में नाचते रहते हैं, तो one gopi, like Radha, who goes to the center where their embodiment of bliss expresses the very life breath, the bliss through his flute. Even the dance of the thoughts in meditation, Ram, 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 Krishna, 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 Krishna. That also ends in the embrace of the beloved, where there is no you, there is no me, there is only love. Kahat Kabir suno bhai sadho, Guru bina mukti na hoi. And without the Guru, there is no mukti, no liberation. Now don't understand mukti as some vague thing. Even Bhagwan says, I don't reside in Vaikuntha. Not even in the hearts of the yogis. But wherever sadhus are gathered. And who's sadhu for Kabir? Dadiwala Babas. Yogis who turn upside down. Yeah? Who are sadhus? Whom he has been addressing all these days.